got another package. So there were multiple things, so I think we just wrapped it in that single box. Let's see. One more. Yeah. I think this is blackout curtain, so we'll keep it aside. I think this is the strap for my Apple Watch. I want to try purple one. Did I ask for this color only? Oh, I think I ordered a different one. So already had a red one, and this is purple. Strange. And these are some always wanted to try transparent case. Let me try putting this. It looks good. Let's see when it turns yellow. And we have another one. This is complete white, so continuous getting a G-Shock white on my watch, and this is the closest thing that I got. And remove my Fitbit. So it feels like plastic, and you can see I think just some button is being pressed, I guess. And yeah, looks good. The slide bezels are there more on the top and bottom, and sides are a little less. Let's wear the transparent one also and see how it is. Okay, that quality is not that great. I was expecting a little bit better quality. It's fine. So that's it. Thanks everyone for watching this video.